Hello and welcome to this year's 12th edition of Naseem International School's Model United Nation. I welcome you to overview this year's highlights where model diplomacy and creative thinking is sparked.
Is a platform for leadership, personal growth and debate. It challenges delegates to communicate with purpose and to think critically and outside of the box.
And I would like to thank Nismun for giving us an amazing conference where I get to meet and talk to people and have meaningful discussions.
The Nismun team did a wonderful job organizing this conference.